This is a review of the Harney and Sons Jasmine Pearl Tea Sachets. I bought this because I am on the quest for find the best for me jasmine pearl tea. It does have a very, very pleasant aroma to it. And this does come in 20-pack sachets, a 20-pack of sachets with the jasmine green tea pearls in there. Suggested steep time is also on here, and it also advises that you can try and use one sachet for 2 cups of tea. This is suggested as 175-degree water poured over the sachet, infused for 3 minutes, and then remove the sachet. Caffeine content of 40 to 60 milligrams per cup. This particular tea ingredients are green tea and white tea.